How to get 99 fishing in RuneScape, P2P. The Skillcape looks cool, and you could get tons of money off of it. Why not master the skill of fishing? Steps 1. Levels 1, 5. Fish crayfish from behind the Lumbridge church. You can obtain a crayfish pot from a man in a building right near the general store in Lumbridge for free. It won't take long to get level 5 fishing. 2. Levels 5, 20. Once you are level 5, grab a fishing rod, some bait, and head on over to Draynor Village and bait fish there. Bank the fish you catch so you can use them for cooking. You will catch sardines and herring. 3. Levels 20, 40. Get some feathers and a fly fishing rod and head to Barbarian Village to fly fish. You will catch trout and salmon. To get from 140 shouldn't take long, only about 50 minutes. 4. Levels 40, 99. Choice A, you can just fly fish all the way to 99, and if you bank your items and sell them, you will get a profit of about 30-40 mil. Choice B, from level 40, 99 you can fish lobsters, in Karamja and get a profit of about 70 mil. Choice C, you can get 48 fishing and go to Otto's Grotto and Barbarian fish. This is the fastest way. 5. Get your Skillcape. Looks even more awesome trimmed. Tips. This will take about 1-2 months, depending on how much you play.